Hey guys, what's up? It's Johnny. Today we are going to be replacing the cabin air filter on this 2018 Nissan Altima. The cabin air filter is located on the passenger side in the front, right under the glove box. All you need is just a few minutes, a new air filter, and the know-how. No tools required. Alright guys, the first thing you got to do is pull this tab here. Alright guys, sorry about that. Pull this tab out. Once you pull the tab out, here's the old one. So here we have our old cabin air filter. Here is the new filter, and there we have the old one. Alright guys, let's go ahead and install this new one into the vehicle. On the side of the air filter, it's going to have some arrows, and it's going to let you know which way the air flows. So you got to make sure that the arrows are pointing backwards towards the inside of the car. I do this in hopes of teaching someone something new, saving someone some money. And if you save some money, or if you like what you saw, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, share. Alright guys, we got that new filter in there. All you do now is put that plastic piece back on. Bam. All done guys. And that's how easy it is to replace the cabin air filter on your vehicle.